The doors in the north end are the original doors, and the way they are kept closed is also the original part. And so you'll go up there and you'll be able to take a look at that and see how they are put together. And then on the north wings on the outside, the part that is there are where the original brick that we brought over from Germany are used to put into the slanted the slanted walls of the entryway there. And you will notice there are four places, four different kinds of patterns of how the brick are put in. Two on one side, two on the other side, and then the top part, where is the triangular part, that's the same on both the right and the left side. That is what the master bricklayer put in, and he said that's where he wanted his grandchildren to come, and they would see what kind of work their grandfather did. Those bricks, you will notice, do look a little different than what the United States brick is. They're a little different size, so when you go out, you can look at that and see the difference in the size of those bricks, and those are the original that came from Germany.